Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this flying heart fish in Fish It Roblox. So I'm going to show you the fastest way to snag the flying heart fish in Fish It. This is one of the most cute fish in the Heartfelt Island. So you can catch it during the Valentine's event. And here I'm using the element rod and also the singularity bait as the gear setup. And for the location, I got my two favorite spots. The first one is in this location, and on the second one is in this post right here. So now the Valentine events is on, so you can just use your best rod to catch the flying hearts. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.